So just a little quick video on this Weibang Virtue 53 with a loncin engine, 196cc. Just going to show you how to adjust the RPMs on this engine. It's very easy. Basically what you want to do is come down here, have a look at your throttle assembly, and move your throttle, and you can see what's moving and what's happening. For reference, that's your choke, choke arm. So when you fully choke it, that should be pushed all the way in. If your mower's not starting very well, you could find that your cable's out of adjustment slightly. I noticed it on mine was slightly out. So when you put it onto full choke, it wasn't quite fully pushing that choke mechanism in. So one thing you can do is check that. You have to take this little plate off and then adjust the cable, or you can try it up the other end near the handle. But anyway, yeah, for the RPMs, very simple. This top screw here, that is basically your limiter screw. I'll try and... So you see this, that's full throttle, so that's off throttle, and then this comes up. So basically all you need to do if you want more RPMs is adjust this out slightly, so counterclockwise, and it takes a security Torx, one with the hole in the middle of it, T25 security Torx. But like I say, I mean, you can do it by hand. It's quite easy to move, or just a little tiny screwdriver will fit. Ideally you'd want to find someone with a tachometer to set the engine RPMs. Stock it was around 2800. I've got another little video showing the RPMs on it, but yeah, ideally have a tach, and you can be a bit more accurate. I set mine to around 3200 RPM, so you're not losing too much torque, but you're not making the engine scream. You don't want that. It's not good for anything really. So this is the stock engine RPM. This is what it sounds like. Helps if I turn it on. And I counted this. If you haven't got a tachometer, what you can do is turn this out 2.5 turns is what I counted it at. So half, 1, half, 2, half. Let's try again. Sounds a lot better. Is it under load? So like I say, very easy to do. If you want to go cautious, I'd just go maybe 2 turns or 1.5 turns, back it out counterclockwise. Yeah, and this is for the loncin 196cc engine. I'm not sure what the setup is on the smaller Virtue, the Virtue 50, but you'll probably have something similar, to be honest with you. But yeah, just look out for a screw, and when you move your throttle plate, just look if there's anything hitting limiters or whatever. It's pretty straightforward really, to be honest. Pretty much it really, and definitely recommend doing this. It transforms this engine, it turns it into a beast. I've got plenty of videos showing this thing plough through all sorts of thick grass and stuff, so check it out if you want. So yeah, I hope that helps, and yeah, cheers.